Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I'm very well today. In this moment, this video, I want to explain about engine terminology diesel pipe. Let's enjoy my video. The first is connecting rod. The connecting rod is pinned to the crank at one end, to the crosshead or piston at the other. The second is main bearing. Main bearings support the weight of the crankshaft. The third is thrust bearing. The thrust bearing supports the thrust created by the propeller. The fourth is turning gear. The turning or checking gear turns the engine with a motor. And the last is flywheel. The flywheel stabilizes the crankshaft rotation. Alright guys, I think enough for me in this video. Thank you for your attention and see you to my next video.